Hello friends, welcome you all in our channel Market Friends. So friend, today in this video we will do detailed analysis of Indian Renewable Energy IPO, starting with the business of the company. It is a wholly owned government of India enterprise under the administrative control of the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Company has over 36 years of experience in the business of promoting, developing and extending financial assistance for new and renewable energy projects and energy efficiency and conservative projects. Let's check financial profile of the company from FY21 to FY23. As you can see, company recorded 58% CAGR growth in net profit during FY21 to FY23. Total revenue rose to 21% to rupees 3,483 crore in FY23 from to 2,874 crore in FY22. Profit after tax grew 36.4% to 864 crore from 633 crore in the same period. Coming towards IPO details, so this IPO is going to live in the market on 21st of November and will close on 23rd of November. Basis of allotment will occur on 29th of November and listing will occur on 4th of December. And one lot in retail category will block your 14,870 rupees. Sorry, 14,720 rupees. Company plan to raise 2,150 crore via the IPO, and the offer consists of fresh issue of 1,290 crore and offer for sale of 860 crore. Currently, government hold 100% stake in the company. Post listing will reduce to 75%. Talking about the negative point on the company, so in the past, credit rating agency have downgraded its rating, and any further downgrade could adversely affect the company business. The business and financial profile could suffer if the company is unable to effectively manage the quality of the growing asset portfolio and control the level of the NPS. Linked time is the register of this IPO. Talking about it, demand in game market premium, it reduced to 21% from 25%, showing 2,500 plus per lot profit as of now. Friends, if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel Market Mind so that you don't miss any update. Thank you and thank you for watching.